Boom shakalaka, explosive Bitcoin buying signal flagging red, showing a buying opportunity unseen since 2011. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at this explosive Bitcoin buy signal that is flagging right now, that is showing a buying opportunity unseen since 2011. Imagine getting into Bitcoin back in 2011. And guys, despite it being a red day today, Bitcoin down 3.62%, Ethereum down 6%, Binance Coin down 6%, even news, interest in cryptocurrency trading volume plunges as interest wanes. Despite all of that, we're going to take a look at this insane Bitcoin signal and some fundamentals that you definitely do not want to miss. Before we get into that, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, today's episode is sponsored by Sonar Platform, the most complete and easy to use crypto tracking and analytics tool for Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum networks. It is packed with features and state-of-the-art UX that has never been seen before, which will allow streamlining of your crypto investing workflow. Sonar has a fully customizable dashboard that will enable live price data feeds to be drawn from checks and dexes, as well as social media, influencers, and many other metadata sources that are aggregated and compiled. Their utility ping token is set to grant access to advanced tracking features through a series of tiers and ensure stability through a 10% tax scheme. Sonar team is currently working on numerous features, including the release of a wrapped ping, which will serve as a bridge to ERC20 and on token listings across top checks exchanges. To learn more about Sonar future releases and plans and how to purchase ping and support the project, click on the link in the pinned comment below. Now, as I mentioned, guys, bloody red day today. The market is falling, and the bear porn may be right. People are like, "Ooh, the market's going down," or is it going down? Because really, we need to take a look at the grand picture of what is going on. Now, first thing is, in all the news sources, they're saying, hey, interest in cryptocurrency is waning, volume is waning, price is going down, it's looking bad. Is that true? Well, I don't particularly know. I think that while trading volume may be going down on exchanges, and while speculative traders may stop getting involved in Bitcoin, I mean, I find it funny how 2 months ago when Bitcoin was at all-time highs, everybody was talking about Dogecoin. However, nowadays, the same place where everybody was talking about Dogecoin and how they're into cryptocurrency now, they're not talking about that anymore. So I find that very interesting. However, the more interesting metrics to check out would be like this one here, where actually strong hands are continuing to buy up Bitcoin even as the price is coming down, showing this crazy on-chain divergence that hasn't happened since Bitcoin was $10,000 before it went up to $65,000. Not only that, but we also have miners have stopped selling. So miners are accumulating their Bitcoin now. They're waiting for the next best opportunity to sell. So they're going to be waiting until the price goes up a bit more. Not only that, but user growth has continued upward. It hasn't dropped downward like it did at previous tops. Like, even though the number of people talking about speculative coins like Dogecoin has dropped significantly, like what happened when people who were interested in Ripple stopped talking about it after 2018, guess what? The on-chain growth has continued to go up. And one of Bitcoin's best use cases is its NGU technology, numbers go up technology. Because guess what? 1 Bitcoin is still equal to 1 Bitcoin, but all of these central banks keep printing their fiat currency, which devalues their fiat currency, causing massive inflation, which means that Bitcoin becomes more and more valuable because there is a fixed supply. So that brings us to this here, which shows that right now, Bitcoin is at one of the best times to buy. According to the stock to flow model, the deflection ratio nears record lows. You can see all the way down here in green, hasn't been this low since all the way back in 2011. But that's not the only metric that hasn't been this low since way back then. If we take a look at the slowest 24-hour average block time, this is the highest it has ever been since way back in 2009. So we're experiencing some moments right now that haven't been seen in a long, long time. And I get it. People are scared. They think, hey, it's over. We're going down. We're going to 27,000, 20,000, 16,000, 13,000, whatever. Well, maybe, but maybe not. Because also, the stock to flow model, even for plan B, it's always uneasy when Bitcoin price gets towards the lower bounds, which it is right now. But after every time it's at the lower bounds, it bounces back up for dramatic price run-ups. And you can see it all the way back here as well. And if we even look at the Bitcoin Rainbow price chart right now, Bitcoin is still cheap. It's a great time to buy near the fair value of Bitcoin right now. Unbelievably so. So, what is this explosive Bitcoin signal that is flagging remarkably? Well, none other than the drop in the RSI. So we can see here, back in February, the RSI dropped. And you can plot out this trend line there. As soon as it broke through the trend line right there, guess what? When that happened, Bitcoin was right down here. Price went up, about 200%. Then it happened again. Okay, RSI starts dropping again. When Bitcoin price broke through there, went up 550%. Well, guess what? Ever since then, we have another drop in the RSI coming. And one of these days, Bitcoin is going to break through there. As soon as it does, well, maybe it'll keep increasing. 200, 500, 1,000, maybe more, maybe less. But this is definitely a huge Bitcoin buy signal, because guess what? You want to buy when blood is in the street, when other people aren't interested. And all of this buying, these strong hands, they aren't buying on exchanges. Exchanges is proof of speculative hands buying, traders buying. But Bitcoin is the best investment vehicle that's been around for a long time. So I think that while the price may be a little bit red, it's the best time you could ever ask for to buy more Bitcoin. So thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll catch you later. Peace.